Okay, let's get started. Probability of x be a random variable with PMF given in three cases. Testing of H0 and H1. Size of the test. So size of the test is happening at probability of x equal to 2, x equal to 3. So 5 plus theta. 2 mu 7, 3 theta 15. Given this, so 12. So 12 minus theta minus 1 by 15. So 11 minus theta by 15. So this is by 15. So this is directly equal to 4. This value is 7. So 4 by 15. Just have a look to the theta value. Theta is greater than equal to 0. Okay. So this is 0. So in this case 11 minus 0 by 15. My mistake. So 11 by 15. Okay. So that's B. 32. The test is biased or unbiasedness checking. So the power of the test again. 12 minus 2 theta minus mu by 15 for theta equal to mu equal to 0. So 12 by 15, so 4 by 5. So power equal greater than size. So unbiased. So option number C is the correct answer.